Feel how smooth that is. Man. Like wet sanding this primer to get the roughness out of it, so I can have, when I get ready to paint down, it's gonna be a smooth finish. You know, no lumps and no dirt, no trash in it. It's always good to wet sand your primer work down. But if you don't, you just spray right over, you're gonna have a rough paint job. It's gonna feel rough, it's not gonna look great at all. So always wet sand your primer. Good job, you know. You get that smooth, like that smooth feeling, like that's how that paint gonna feel when it lays down real smooth. So I always wanna wet sand this spot right here. This is where I'm gonna have to re-prime it again. See where I did my body work at right here. I had to smooth it. I had a hole right here, and I kind of like passed in with some body work, you know. And I'm not worried about sanding this, wet sanding this right now, because I'm gonna have to go back and hit with some more primers, because I still have to prime my doors. So right now I'm just wet sanding the primed areas, get it all smoothed out, ready for paint. But I'm also have to come back and hit this bodywork area right here too with some primer, so I have good coverage. So right now I'm using 400 sanding paper right here. See, I'm using 400 P400 sanding paper, and you can purchase this at any auto molded place, you know, AutoZone or wherever. Look like I'm gonna have to change my pad, because this look like it's already used up, so I'm gonna change this pad now before I proceed on through this process. But yes, I'm using 400 right now. I'm wet sanding with 400. Some people start with 600, but I'm using 400 for a little more coarse or smoother area. So when I get ready to lay this paint out, it's gonna be nice and smooth. See, I just took this right here and use this piece that before I change it out to a fresh new sanding pad on here, paper. I'm gonna use this one piece right here, like it still got some nice sanding coarse areas in it. So I'm gonna use this to hit my edges, because I don't want to hit my edges too hard. You know, I don't want to completely sand off the primer, but I also don't want no rough edges when I paint. I want it all look smooth and blend in nice. So I'm gonna hit these edges with light sanding by hand, but I'm also wet sanding. Oh, yeah. So that's that right there. The first car, my first car I painted, it's not exactly the first car that I painted in my life, but I'm just saying I painted my car last year. I only used my white car. I only used a 20-gallon air compressor, which it takes a little long because it don't hold that much air. So I had to go with something a little larger, you know. But I could put it. I'm gonna put in the clip the car that I painted with the 20-gallon air compressor. After that, I had went and got me a 60-gallon, because you know I got tired of waiting for the air to repressurize. So I ended up getting a 60-gallon Husky from Home Depot. So that's basically what I'm using now, which is a whole lot better. So this is what I'll be doing all my jobs with now. I can compress. I can even do more jobs with that 60-gallon compressor. I can use my air tools. I can use basically anything that takes air. It's compressed air. So yeah, that's what I'm using now, 60-gallon Husky. So that's what I'll be using on this job that I'm doing now.